This short tutorial has been designed to assist students in understanding how to calculate the commission that a client would pay to an agency once a property is sold. For this example, we're looking at a house which is listed for $400,000 and the agency is charging a commission of 3.3%. The total commission is calculated by taking the $400,000 and multiplying it by the 3.3%, and you get a total of $13,200. But it doesn't end there, because the total commission consists of both the GST and also the non-GST component, so we must break this down. When we are looking at the GST, it is 10% in Australia. If we know that we are charging a commission of 3% plus GST, then it is as simple as adding 10% to the figure. However, when we need to find out how much GST is in something, we have to divide by 11. So that is something that we need to remember as a rule of thumb, dividing by 11 to get our GST amount. So to have a look at our example, to look at our GST component, we need to take our total commission of $13,200 and divide that by 11, which leaves us with a figure of $1,200. So that is our GST, $1,200. So then we need to look at how much is the non-GST amount. So we take our $13,200 total commission minus or subtract our $1,200 GST, which leaves us with a figure of $12,000 being our non-GST amount. Okay, so now we have our calculations, but they are all a little bit backwards. We needed to work backwards in order to get all our figures, but the way we would have to write it into our property occupations form 6 is to go forwards. So most importantly, we have to enter into our part 7 our commission rate of 3.3%, which includes the GST, and then we would write $12,000 plus our $1,200 GST, which gives us the total of $13,200 total commission payable. So just some final notes. Commission in Queensland is deregulated, which means that you can charge as per the amounts listed on your Property Occupations Form 6 agreement. There is also no need to specify that your commission is based on a particular price, because that is already specified in the price section of the document. Furthermore, the commission is calculated on the listed price, and it is recalculated once the property is sold on the final selling price. This is what makes it a commission instead of a fixed fee or fixed amount. I hope you enjoyed your burst of training on the topic of commission.